In this video, we're going to explore how we can give the border right color, or how can we give the right side of here, this border color, a different color and activate that one as well. So with that, we're going to use the property border right color and give this a proper declaration with a specific color value. So we say here border right color, that's the property, and then we say this will be, let's give this a gold color, so it's not too bright. The yellow might be slightly too bright. And we save this, refresh here, nothing works yet. Why? Because we didn't assign here anything yet. So let's assign here a border type. So I'm going to give this here, or we can say here border dash right dash style, and then we can say here a dotted design. And what we also can do here is a border dash right dash width, and here we can say this will be 15 pixels. And if we save this here, you will see now it will work. If we refresh here, there you are. You can see now we have a 15 pixel dotted design, which gives us 2 dots here, and that's it. And this is how you can control that nicely. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.